What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. On this channel, I love to give you guys tons of cleaning tips and hacks. This one's going to be a little different. This is for all my people that live in cold areas and have to deal with ice and snow on your windshields. I don't know about you guys, but I hate having to scrape it off. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick that will de-ice your windows in just 1 minute. All you need is some rubbing alcohol. All you have to do is put 2 parts rubbing alcohol and 1 part water in a spray bottle. Now make sure the water is cold and not hot, because hot water can actually cause cracks on your windshield and you definitely don't want that. And literally all you do is just spray it down and watch the magic happen. You have to wait about 1 minute for this to work. Rubbing alcohol is one of the main ingredients in the store-bought deicer sprays, so now you don't even have to waste your time. And as you can see, it literally just starts to melt it away. And this also is a nice process, especially if you don't feel comfortable just leaving your car running, which I don't like to do that either. So this is an awesome way to de-ice your windshield in no time. Okay, that is all that I have for you guys in this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you try it, be sure to leave me some comments below, and of course give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love to have you guys along.